Today, I'm gonna take you from here to here to here in less than 10 minutes. Just showed up at this job site. A buddy of mine, Richard, said he's cutting down a tree. Pine cone looking things on it. I'm not for sure. Some kind of Christmas tree looking thing. Carlos said they was blue spruce. I don't know. I'll have to do some research on that one. But I got me a nice load of whatever it is. But it looked like it's got some bees up in there, a few of them. I mean, they got a few hollow spots, holes in them. But that's okay. Freddie always said, don't look a gift horse in the mouth, son. One thing I noticed this morning, I don't know, I didn't see all this when they give them to me, but check this shit out. Apparently, there's a beehive up in there. Now, to see the story on these bees, you're going to have to watch this video right here. But we're going to move on to the actual cutting of the trees. 7:30 in the morning, we got the first log on there and ready to cut to see exactly what's in this joker. 10-footer, probably 12 inches in diameter. Loading up the water. Pretty, just a light. I don't know, it's pretty though. Might get in the center, might be even better. To me, it kind of looks like that sycamore. Maybe a little darker. It's pretty. I got the one log cut up, cut it 1 inch thick. I'm gonna give you a quick preview. Got 9 boards. It's some pretty wood. I mean, I wish you was here to smell it. My partner said it smells like Christmas trees. The one guy there that was cutting it up said he thought it was blue spruce. but we're gonna call it the bee tree. Now I just got 10 more to cut up. This is a big one.
What's that?
All right, one more. Hold on, we got the. I did a double, sped it up a little bit, but in the end, we got 90 boards out of it. There you go around. That's a double stack on the back of the old bread truck. You ought to watch my bread truck videos. That's a whole different thing. All the way around to there, and then double stacked over there. We're gonna stack them right over here. About 3 feet wide, they'll probably reach to the ceiling. They're all stacked, and I'm a mess. Look, you see them guys, you see them guys on YouTube doing stuff, and they're all clean and pretty. I don't know. Maybe they cut it all up, and then they go change clothes, and then come back out there and film. But I just do it all natural. But anyhow, here's my stack. That is all but 10 boards. So I think we had 90. That's 80 boards there. And they're in a good spot. I got them under this shed in a corner where they'll catch a lot of wind. I'm gonna put these high on the scale of some of the prettiest wood I have cut up. I'll show you why. It just has a lot of color, and it's not crazy knotty, but it has some little knots in it. And then the sapwood, which is this yellow, it's not crazy wide, it's not crazy skinny, it's just wide enough to show itself and show that it's a full board, and it's light. It reminds me of cedar, cypress, something like that. But it's gonna make some pretty whatever it makes. That's it on this one. Anyhow, reach down there and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. About every 2 or 3 days, my wife asks me, "You get any more subscribers?" And it just kills my soul. Tell her, no, I don't want to think I'm a failure. But anyhow, hit that subscribe button. Let me walk in there with my head held high.